Welcome back. Oops, gotta cover that up. We're gonna do a little follow-up video here of the handlebars. Now that I received them, if you can take a guess who I got them from, in my grips. So this is a follow-up video to the first video of me hacking up the existing throttle. Ready, set, go. So there you have it. This is the Cyrusher XF 800 with longer bars. The stock bars were only about this long on each side. With the new grips, and you can't put grips like this on there with the stock throttle. And because I didn't feel like just simply buying a new throttle, I modified the one I had, which is what the first video is all about. So, but as you can see now, that's how it all works. I basically cut down the length of the stock throttle, so it made room for another grip on the end. And then I ended up using a locking screw on the bottom to keep this assembly from twisting. But it works great. And I think that blue looks great with the bike. Luckily, I think matches close enough. But yeah, this is just a follow-up, like I said, to that first video of, as I called it, a twist throttle hack for the e-bikes. But new grips, new bars, Cyrusher XF 800. Looks dope.